Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV, Sony's flagship OLED offering for 2024. This TV promises cutting-edge technology and impressive features. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Imagine coming home to a TV that's not just a screen, but a window to a world of stunning visuals. That's what the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV aims to deliver. Let's explore what makes this TV stand out from the crowd. Starting with the design, Sony has refined the Bravia 8 to be as sleek and modern as possible. It boasts a remarkably thin profile, 31% slimmer than its predecessor, with bezels that are 29% narrower. The back features a stylish checkerboard pattern and a smartly concealed port array, ensuring a clean and sophisticated look from all angles. Moving on to features, the Bravia 8 doesn't disappoint. It incorporates Sony's latest Bravia XR processor, renowned for its ability to enhance color accuracy, contrast, and overall picture quality. With technologies like XR Triluminos Pro and XR Clear Image, it promises vibrant HDR and noise-free images that truly pop. In terms of performance, OLED technology shines with perfect blacks and wide off-center viewing angles, ideal for any living room setup. Sony has also integrated acoustic surface audio plus technology, turning the TV screen itself into a speaker for immersive sound. Complemented by options to sync with a dedicated soundbar for enhanced audio clarity. When it comes to user experience, the Bravia 8 runs on Google TV, offering a seamless interface for streaming and smart home integration. While it excels in many areas, it does come with a slight limitation of only 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, which might impact connectivity options for some users. In conclusion, the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV sets a high standard for premium home entertainment in 2024. With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative features, it's poised to be a contender among the best OLED TVs of the year. Whether you're a cinephile or a casual viewer, this TV promises to transform your viewing experience. That wraps up our review of the Sony Bravia 8 OLED TV. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and insights. Let us know in the comments what you think about this TV and if you'd consider making it the centerpiece of your entertainment setup. Until next time, this has been Product Critique. Thanks for watching.